Okay, so in this example, the market was moving extremely fast when Excalibvr delivered the order, and by the time I was able to set up the camera and place the order, the price of the market was well beyond where the order was generated. The order was generated to go short at 846 even. So what I've done here is I've placed my order well behind where the market is now, and what I'm hoping for is for this level of support to push the price of the market closer back towards where the order was generated, and allowing me to get into the position, and then I will set an average point fairly close to where we get in. But I would like to see the market move back to allow me to get into the position so that we can make money on this position too. I may regret this, but I do want to get into this position, so I'm going to move my order down. We're finally in. First thing I'm going to do is set an average point pretty close to where we are right now. And the second thing I'm going to do is set a closed position order so that I can trail the market manually as the position begins to develop profit. Now, for those of you that have watched a few videos, you may have heard me say this once or twice before, but for anybody that hasn't, this level of support right here where you see allotments of 1,000 stacked one after the other, or rather more than 1,000 stacked one after the other, does not necessarily mean that the market won't move downward, or if we were moving upward, these allotments here on the right side wouldn't mean that the market couldn't move upward. It just means that it may take a little bit more time to develop than you would generally look for, because there are so many contracts to be sold at these price levels. It also may force the market to make multiple attempts to break through those points, maybe 2 or 3 times before it's actually able to break a bottom or a top. Just going to move this down slightly so that I can move the screen up. I would also like to point out that for the first time, take a look over here. Our directional analysis tool has just changed from flat to down, and on the same token, this column here has been rising for the short, or indicating more selling pressure for quite some time, and is now at the pinnacle of its value. 9 is the highest value for this column. Now, if we can get a pip or two further on the downside, I'm going to cover this position. One more from where we are now. Okay, coming to cover the position. Can now get rid of this average point. I am hoping that this resistance won't force the market to run up a few pips and get my close my position, hoping that we can follow the market down further, but it may be fairly difficult with the size of allotments that you see as support. And my position has now been closed. You can see how I didn't rush to get into the market. I made the market work to me, and although it seemed as if I may be missing out on an Excalibvr order, I was able to take advantage of it anyway and turn that position into profit. For more information, visit gatewayqsecurity.com and use promo code YouTube for your 2-week free trial.